Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have read about the formulae of profit and loss. And today, we have to understand how we can solve the word problems on the basis of profit and loss. So, take a look at this. Here, for the word problems of profit and loss, I am taking first example as Vinod bought a CD for rupees 740 and sold it for rupees 875. Find his gain percent. Given cost price is rupees 750, selling price is rupees 875, and here we can see that selling price is more than cost price. Therefore, gain is SP minus CP, and we get 875 minus 750, which is 125. So the gain is 125 rupees. Now we have to find out gain percent. Gain percent equals gain by CP into 100, and gain is 125 rupees by CP is 750 rupees into 100. After solving this, we get 50 by 3%. That is 16 whole 2 by 3%. Now, in the second example, here Nihal purchased a table for rupees 1260, and due to some scratches on its top, he had to sell for rupees 1197. Find his loss percent. So in the solution, given cost price is 1260 rupees and selling price is 1197 rupees. Here we can see selling price is less than cost price, and hence there is loss CP minus SP, which equals 1260 minus 1197, which gives us rupees 63. And therefore loss percent equals loss by CP into 100, that is 63 by 1260 into 100, and after resolving it we will get 5%. Now we have to talk about overhead. What is this overhead? Sometimes after purchasing an object or an article or a thing or a good, we have to pay some more money for things like transportation, labor charge, repairing charge, painting charge, etc. etc. These extra expenses are called overheads. That it means if we buy something from a shop and we have to pay some transportation charge, some mechanical charge, some special charge for installing them. So these charges is taken as for overheads. For calculating the CP, we add overheads. It means the actual CP must be equal to the cost price of the thing plus the overhead which is included in it. We can understand this overhead by this example. Mohanlal purchased an old scooter for rupees 12,000 and spent rupees 2,850 on its overhauling. Then he sold it to his friend for rupees 13,860. How much percent did he gain or lose? What is the gain or lose? We have to find out first. So Here the cost price of scooter is 12,000 rupees and overhead expenses like here overhauling of the scooter, that is rupees 2,850. Therefore the actual CP of the scooter will be 12,000 plus 2,850, which is 14,850 rupees. And now selling price of scooter is 13,860, and here we can see that this total cost price, actual cost price, is greater than the selling price. Therefore there is loss CP minus SP, which equals 14,850 minus 13,860, which gives us 990 rupees. Therefore loss percent equals loss by CP into 100%. Loss is 990 by 14,850, which is the cost price, into 100. We can solve it. 0 cancel out, 11 9 ja 99 and 11 1 ja 11, 3 8 11 3 ja 33 and 5 5 11 5 ja 35. Okay, once again in 5 times, 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35, 5 20 ja, and 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. Finally it will be 20 by 3%, which equals 6 whole 2 by 3%. Now example number 4. Rajiv bought an Almira for rupees 6,250 and spent rupees 375 on its repairs. Then he sold it for rupees 6,890. Find his gain or loss percent. So first of all we have to find out the actual CP and SP, and then we can see cost price of Almira is rupees 6,250. Overhead expenses like repairing is 375 rupees, and therefore actual CP is 6,250 plus 375, which is 6,625 rupees. Now the SP of Almira is 6,890, and therefore the gain equals SP minus CP equals 265 rupees. You can see. Therefore the gain percent equals gain by CP into 100, which equals 265 by 6,625, that is the CP into 100. We can divide it in 5 times. 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, and 5 5 ja 25. Once again in 5 times, in 25 times it is divided. You can solve in 25 times it is, and then it will be 25 4 ja 100, that is 400, 4%. The answer is 4% gain. Now here I am taking another example, example number 5. By selling 125 pence, a man gains an amount equal to the selling price of 5 pence. Listen carefully. By selling 125 pence, a man gains an amount equal to the selling price of 5 pence. So you have to find out the gain percent. It means the man get a gain. Here first we consider, let the selling price of 1 pen is be rupees 1. Selling price of 1 pen be rupee 1. Therefore the selling price of 125 pence equals rupees 125. And here it is written he gains the selling price of 5 pence. So gain equals selling price of 5 pence, and selling selling price of 5 pence equals 5 rupees, you know, because the selling price of 1 pen is 1 rupees. So the selling price of 5 pence is 5 rupees. Therefore the gain is 5. And to find out gain percent, we have to find out the cost price of 125 pence. And here we can see that the selling price of 125 pence is 125 rupees and the gain is 5 rupees. So the cost price of 125 pence equals selling price minus gain. It means you have to find out the selling price, cost price first. So cost price is selling price minus gain. 125 minus 5, that is 120. Why it is this? Because cost price, selling price equals cost price plus gain, you know. Therefore cost price equal to selling price minus gain. So I am using here this formula, selling price minus gain, which equals 120 rupees. And now we get the cost price of 125 pence. Therefore gain percent equals gain by CP into 100. Gain is 5 rupees and CP we get 120 into 100. After solving it, we will get 25 by 6%, which equals 4 whole 1 by 6%. Now example number 6. A man bought apples at 10 for rupees 25. It means a man bought apples at 10 for rupees 25. It means he bought 25 rupees 10 apples and sold them at 25 per dozen. It means he sold 12 apples in 25 rupees. Find his gain or loss percent. Here we can see that cost price of 10 apples is 25 rupees. 10 apples 25 rupees. So therefore cost price of 1 apple equals 25 by 10 by unit 3 method. And now selling price of 1 dozen, that is 12 apples, is 25. You can see here. And selling price of 1 apple equals rupees 25 by 12. And here you can see the cost price is greater than the selling price. Therefore loss equal to cost price minus selling price. And therefore loss equal to 25 by 10 minus 25 by 12. And 25 by 10, 10, 6 are 60. 6 into 25 is 150. And 150 minus 12, 5 are 60. So 6 into 125, 5 into 25 equals 125, which gives us 25 by 60, and that will be 5 by 12. Now the loss percent equals loss by CP into 100, and loss is 5 by CP. 5 by 12, loss is 5 by 12, CP is 25 by 10 into 100. This 10 is divided, so it is multiplied in numerator. 5 into 10 by 12 into 25, which is into 100. That will give you 50 by 3, and that is 16 whole 2 by 3. You can solve it. 12, 25, 4 ja, 4, 3 ja, up 10, 5 ja 50, and 3, 1 ja 3. So it will be 50 by 3. That is 16 whole 2 by 3%. You can reduce this thing in your own way. No need to try like me. You can use your own method. So these are some word problems regarding profit and loss, and you can watch this and solve some problems, and after this I will give you some questions. You have to solve the questions. Students, you can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.